Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G60s, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one. Once you open it up, tap on the three bars right over here and navigate to settings. In the settings, right at the bottom, you should see the import option, so select it, choose SIM card, confirm it. Give it a second. Come on. There we go. So once it loads the contact, you can see those are all the contacts that are on my SIM card. And by default, they will all be selected. So all you need to do is click on import. Now, if you don't want all of them, you can deselect some of them beforehand. Additionally, if you have some kind of contacts on here that are already deselected and you just cannot select them at all, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your device and the phone is simply stopping you from creating duplicate versions of it. Anyway, once you select the import option, it will give you the message right here how many contacts have been imported, and when you go back you should be able to see them right over here. So that is how you import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.